Good afternoon, and thank you all for being here today. It is with great excitement that I introduce to you one of the most innovative smartphones on the market, the Sony Xperia 1V. A device that continues Sony's legacy of excellence, pushing the boundaries of smartphone technology, particularly in the areas of photography, display, and performance. Design and display. A cinematic experience in your hands from the moment you pick up the Xperia 1V, you'll notice its sleek and premium design. Sony has maintained its signature tall, narrow form factor, making it comfortable to hold and use despite its powerful hardware. The textured glass back and aluminum frame provide durability and an elegant aesthetic, ensuring both grip and style. But where the Xperia 1V truly shines is in its display. It features a 6.5-inch 4K OLED screen with Sony's Bravia technology, a rarity in the smartphone industry. This 21:9 aspect ratio is designed for cinema lovers, offering an immersive viewing experience that is unmatched by most competitors. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or editing photos, the HDR support and 120Hz refresh rate make visuals pop with stunning clarity and smoothness. Camera. A professional photographer's dream. Sony has long been a leader in camera technology, and the Xperia 1V is no exception. Equipped with an all-new XMR-T for mobile sensor, this phone revolutionizes low-light photography. The 52MP main sensor, with an effective 48MP output, 12MP ultra-wide, and 12MP telephoto lens offer versatility and precision. What makes the Xperia 1V stand out? Improved low-light performance. Thanks to the new sensor, the phone captures more light and detail than ever before. Real-time IAF and object tracking. Borrowing from Sony's Alpha series cameras, this ensures sharp and detailed subject focus, whether you're capturing people, animals, or moving objects. Cinematic videography. The Cine Alta-powered Video Pro app lets users shoot in true 4K HDR at 120 frames per second, giving content creators full control over color grading and manual settings. This device is not just for casual photographers, it's a content creator's powerhouse, enabling professional quality filmmaking and photography right from your pocket. Performance and battery life. Power meets efficiency. At the heart of the Xperia 1V lies the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, ensuring top-tier performance for gaming, multitasking, and high-end applications. Combined with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, expandable via microSD, this phone is built for power users. Battery life is another area where the Xperia 1V excels. The 5,000 mAh battery ensures all-day usage, while adaptive charging technology extends the battery's lifespan. With 30W fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse charging, convenience is at your fingertips. Audio and gaming. Elevating the entertainment experience for those who love high-quality audio, Sony's 360 Reality Audio, front-facing stereo speakers, and support for high-res audio codecs deliver an unmatched listening experience. Gamers will also appreciate the Game Enhancer mode, which optimizes performance, minimizes latency, and enhances visuals for a smoother gaming experience. Conclusion. A flagship like no other, the Sony Xperia 1V is a bold statement in smartphone innovation. It combines professional-grade photography, a stunning 4K display, powerful performance, and premium audio, all in a unique and stylish design. Whether you're a photographer, filmmaker, gamer, or simply someone who appreciates cutting-edge technology, the Xperia 1V delivers an exceptional experience. Sony continues to prove that it is not just following trends, it is setting new standards. The Xperia 1V is not just a smartphone, it's a creative tool, a gaming beast, and a multimedia powerhouse. Thanks for watching our videos. Please like and subscribe our channel Jucter.